Hey everyone, in today's video we are checking out the Annex Liner from Bell, a super slim sling bag that's packed with features and organization. I'm Ed from Rushfaster. We do guides and walkthroughs, bring you better gear and better ways to carry, so if you're new to the channel or interested in anything like that, please consider subscribing. Let's jump right in and check out the Annex Liner from Bell. The Annex Liner is a new addition to the collection of heavy-duty carry bags from Bell. It features a heavy-duty X-Pack ripstop fabric combined with a 1680D ballistic nylon. It features Hyperlon on all the accents, zipper pulls and accessory loops, as well as durable nylon webbing for all the straps, and also Woojin hardware for all the buckles, clips and rings. And all the zippers that you'll find on this bag are made of durable YKK zips. Alrighty, let's get on to the features and compartments of the Annex Liner, or the Sacoche as Bell also puts it. Starting from the front, we have a zippered compartment which uses a YKK AquaGuard zip. And inside this reveals to us a bright fluoro orange compartment. This lining is great because you can see all your bits of gear. You won't be losing anything compared to a typically black or grey lined compartment. Just in the middle we have this little pocket that has this sort of flap on top of it, and this holds my Bluetooth wireless earphones from B&O. This would work great with a pair of AirPods Pro or any other kind of earphones. And on the side here we have a little key clip that you can tether your keys to. It's made by YKK here, and it's a really easy to use spring-loaded key clip. You just pull down on this key ring and it releases your keys. And so that's just a great way to keep your keys secured in one place. Now, this compartment here, this zippered compartment, is currently in a compressed state. If you can see that, this buckle clip is keeping it all compressed. And as we undo those Woojin buckles, we can now expand this compartment into a more triangular shape so that we can fit much more gear inside. So we've got keys in there, we've got earphones in there. Let's put a water bottle in here. This is my Hydro Flask 18-ounce bottle. Fits in there fine. We could also put in my Patagonia Torrent Shell jacket that I've just tried to really pack in. A bit lazy to actually fully pack it in. But yeah, that fits in there perfectly fine. It's used that whole expansion to fit my gear, and probably if I would try to force it, I could fit in some more gear on the sides and at the back. An interesting feature of this compartment is that you can access the compartment not from the top zipper but also from the bottom as well. So this bottom zipper can also give you access to something that's stuck on the bottom. Now what you can do once you've packed everything inside, you can attempt to compress that compartment as best as you can with these compression clips that we undid earlier. There we go. And so I've tried to compress that as best as I can. Turning to the back of the bag, we come to the back panel and also the strapping. In the back panel we actually have a little magnetically sealed compartment here that's just clipped on by this magnet. And here is just a slip pocket, preferably for flatter items. I've just put in my Bellroy travel folio in there that keeps my passport and everything like that. But you could put in here just your passport or a wallet or a little reading book, just something that's flat so that when it's on the side of your body or on your chest or on your back, it's not poking out into your back. So whatever you put in this compartment, keep it relatively flat. And just above that we have a easy to use grab handle. Along the back panel we have daisy chain webbing, so you can attach different bits of gear on there as well. Although because you're carrying this on your chest or on your back, I'd probably opt to not put any accessories here. And then we have these two D-rings at the top which you attach the shoulder strap on. Now this shoulder strap has no padding whatsoever. It's just a simple nylon strap because you're not going to be packing too much in this sling bag. You don't really need a super padded strap. So just bear that in mind. Try not to carry any bricks in this sling because yeah, you don't have much support for your shoulder as you carry this. So at the top of the shoulder strap we just have these two triangular shaped clips, and just a little bit lower we have this little contraption that seems to serve as a strap management device. I particularly just used it to keep the strap slack of this particular strap on the side here, and what you do is clip this on and then wrap the strap slack up like so, flatten it on top of the clip and then close it, and that just keeps it nice and tidy. That's what I think this little clip does, and so far it does a pretty good job of that. But we do have another strap keeper down here, and then we just have some plastic adjusters on this side as well. Over here we have a little buckle just to quick release the whole shoulder strap if you want to take this off very quickly. Yeah, and that's it for the shoulder strap. It's a very simple shoulder strap to use. If you want to just carry this bag via the haul handle, you have the option of just tucking this entire shoulder strap in the back compartment. So that's just to give you a bit more of a tangle-free experience. Now let's get on to the top compartment. Again, this is using YKK AquaGuard zips and another bright orange compartment for us to organize gear. Now there is a little bit of organization in this pocket. We've got two slip pockets, one pen loop for a little pen. If you choose to slip in a tablet, you can store a stylus in there and put the tablet inside this compartment here that's secured by Velcro. I haven't got anything in there right now, but you could put an iPad mini or an Amazon Kindle in there, something just easy to use if you like. And in these two pockets, I'm just putting smaller bits of gear. So a little portable battery from Lander and a charging cable from Lander and my Moment lens. On this side, I'm just keeping my phone. But even without those compartments, you have plenty of space to put in additional gear. You could chuck in there a mirrorless camera, or perhaps if you're daring, a Nintendo Switch. And if you want more space in this little compartment here, at the bottom there is actually a button clasp which is currently compressing that compartment. So if you just undo that button clasp, you're giving yourself a bit more of storage space inside that compartment as well. So that's just opened up a little bit more, and now you can put in maybe a hat or a beanie along with the other bits of gear. But when you're not using that expansion, just simply snap that shut. And then looking on this side, hopefully you can see that there is more accessory loops just underneath here that you could store some carabiners on, and just looking under here, hopefully you can see that there are more daisy chain webs to attach gear on. So like a carabiner or a clip, you could put on some clips there. So let me show you the different ways that you can carry the Annex Liner. This is just side shoulder carry. This is crossbody carry on the back. And also on the front. And remember, you do have the option of carrying it via the haul handle. Well everyone, that is the Coat of Bell Annex Liner. It does look like a simple bag because of its slim silhouette, but as we've seen, it is packed with a lot of features, as well as a really intelligent expansion system. Not to mention it has enough compartments to keep you organized for days. If you're looking for a slim, sleek, minimal, and basic sling bag, this might not be the right sling for you, but if you're into features, compartments, expandability, multiple carry modes, and and a tactical aesthetic, then this might be the right sling for you. So if you are interested in getting the Annex Liner, there are going to be some affiliate links in the description below. If you liked this video, you enjoyed it, you found it helpful, and now you're thinking about getting one of these, let me encourage you to consider using some of those affiliate links in the description below, as they really help us out in making more of these kind of videos. And even if you're not thinking about getting this bag, but you watched it and you enjoyed it, hit that like button, hit the bell, and as always, subscribe to see more carry gear walkthroughs if you haven't already. If you want to see more videos like this or more videos on sling bags, check out some of the links on the screen at the end of this video. But for now, this has been the Bell Annex Liner. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.